Friends, building AI features into a product is easy. Making them truly proactive and integrated into real workflows is where most systems fall apart. You can bolt on a chatbot, but that doesn't mean it understands context, tracks state, or drives execution. The real challenge isn't generating answers. It's turning intelligence into structured action. My name is Daniel, and today I'll show you how Shopify Sidekick approaches this differently. It's not just a conversational assistant inside the admin. It's an AI layer embedded directly into Shopify's workflows, analyzing performance, surfacing opportunities, and guiding execution without making you jump between tools. The AI assistant becomes even more interesting when you look at its architecture. With features like Weekly Digest and App Intents, it moves beyond reactive responses into orchestration across the platform's ecosystem. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description. After watching this video, there might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. Friends, this is the Shopify website, where Sidekick is presented as an AI assistant built directly for store owners. Instead of switching between tools, it works within the Shopify ecosystem and helps manage everyday store tasks with simple prompts. The assistant can also interpret natural language questions about your store and turn them into structured analytics insights. Friends, let's open the Shopify admin dashboard. On the right side, you can see the Sidekick panel. This is where the assistant lives and where all interactions happen. Since we're just starting with this store, let's ask the assistant to help set things up. I describe in natural language what I want. The tool responds immediately and offers to generate the first product entry, including a description and a competitive pricing suggestion. Once the assistant generates the text, it automatically fills the product cart inside Shopify. Mates, after generating the product description, we also need visual content. Shopify's assistant includes a built-in tool for image generation and editing. Instead of organizing a professional photo shoot or spending time editing images manually, you can upload a simple product photo and describe the result you want. We can also generate something different here. For example, I can ask the assistant to work with the product visuals. Inside the image editor, instead of using external tools, I can improve the product photos directly in Shopify. I simply ask the AI to remove the background and place the product into a clean studio-style setting. Notice how the system handles lighting and shadows, creating a much more polished product image in just a few seconds. This helps maintain a consistent visual style across the store without needing a professional photo shoot, complex design tools, or manual editing. And everything happens directly inside the Shopify interface. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Another important step when working with product content is SEO optimization. Instead of manually writing attributes for every image, I can ask Sidekick to handle this task. The assistant analyzes the visual details of the images and generates accurate alt text with relevant keywords. Because it understands both the visuals and the context of the product, it can describe the content in a way that works well for search algorithms. So in practice, this means the product page becomes ready for discovery much faster, with optimized images, structured metadata, and content that's already aligned with search visibility. Since our store is new, we can also use a feature called Saved Skills. Saved skills allow developers to store complex prompt chains as reusable automation tools. Instead of rewriting long instructions every time, you create a skill once and execute the workflow instantly. Mates, let's use this feature to improve the store itself. Instead of writing the same Instagram prompt every time, I turn it into a saved skill. I define the style once, lighting, composition, overall mood, and save it as a reusable instruction. Now I can trigger it with a simple command, and the assistant generates a clean, lifestyle product shot that follows that exact prompt. This shows how Sidekick helps improve product photography. The AI analyzes the image and suggests adjustments so the product looks clearer and more consistent with the store's visual style. Everything happens directly inside the Shopify admin. Friends, I can even use voice mode to interact with the logic of the software. Mates, next I move to customizing the design of my store. At this stage, I define a very specific niche. In this case, a modern lighting store for workspaces. This step is actually critical, because Sidekick uses that description as context to shape the entire structure and visual direction of the site. The system analyzes the request and suggests themes that match this positioning, focusing on layouts that feel more relevant. Once I confirm the selection, I generate the theme, and the system automatically builds the foundation of the store. From there, I move into the editor, where Sidekick continues guiding the process and helping apply changes directly inside the layout. For example, I accept a suggestion to update the color palette. This shows how the assistant can handle multi-step actions on its own, adjusting the theme configuration without manual input. The system updates the global styling in real time, applying a darker base with bright accent colors that immediately change the overall feel of the store. What's interesting here is how quickly the visual identity comes together. Instead of manually tweaking styles, the interface transforms instantly, allowing you to prototype a clean, premium-looking design without going into technical details. Guys, managing a Shopify store isn't just about launching products. It's about turning natural language requests into real actions directly inside the Shopify admin environment. Instead of switching between tools, you can create products, generate images, analyze store data, and automate workflows in one interface. I personally find this direction interesting because features like App Intents and Weekly Digest make the assistant much more powerful. It can connect external apps and proactively surface insights based on your store data. Hopefully, this walkthrough gave you a clear understanding of how these features work in practice and how Shopify Sidekick helps move from idea to execution much faster. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.